Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to edit comments on Snapchat post on Android device. Well, knowing how to edit comments on Snapchat post allows you to engage with your friends' stories and share your reactions. Adding a comment enables you to start conversations, provide feedback, or express support directly within the app. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat on your device. Well, after that, open Spotlight tab here. And then here you will find many video posts in this app. So the way to add a comment on it, simply tap this option and then leave your comment here. Whether it is a positive comment or what you're feeling about the video. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to edit comments on Snapchat posts on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.